Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, jewelry, candles, snacks. We do it all here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget to please give the video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. As you can see, today we have a brand new subscription and I'm super excited about it because it is a luxury skincare subscription, and that is Laurel Reed. And can we talk about the packaging for a moment? Like, how could you not feel a little bougie and special when this comes to your door? Now, it does come in an outer cardboard box, but when you open it and you take this out, yeah. So, luxury beauty and skincare, like I said, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. So it is a subscription box featuring non-toxic, all-natural, and cruelty-free items, which I think is amazing. You will receive 3 or more full-size products every month, and there will be a minimum retail value of over $100. And then it says all boxes do come gift wrap, so that does make you feel special. Now, this is the May 2020 box, and this has a retail value of $149. You can order by June 15th. So if you like what's in this box, you can order up until June 15th and get this box. It does ship to the US and Canada. It is $49.95 a month. Now, if you go ahead and you prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months, you can get it lower. The lowest price, I think, with the 12-month plan is $43.95. Now, when your first box ships, like I said, it will ship immediately. So if you want this box, you can order by June 15th to get this box. But one thing I think that this company does that is really unique is you will receive an email from them when you place the order, and they will ask you, do you want that box for that month, or do you want to just wait and let your first box be the next month? I think that is really, really unique, and I like that they offer that. So, like I said, I will put a link down below for Laurel Reed, and head over, check them out. But otherwise, let's get into this. I almost don't even want to open it because it's just so pretty. But we have to see what we got. So, we'll untie the ribbon. All right, so that's pretty. That was what was on top. This goes over, which, oh, I love this. Okay, so this goes over all of the products in the box with pricing. So I already told you, I know the value, the full retail value for the box for May is $149, but it goes over the 3 different products in the box with the pricing. So this is how it looks when I open it. Well, that card was on top, but so our first item here is Olomi, if I'm saying that correctly, Olomi, right here. This is a White Pond Face Sheet Mask in Revive. This is $6. Revive tired skin with this sheet mask with a floral, sweet, fresh scent. Boost inner radiance and regenerate tired skin while improving skin texture and complexion. This evens skin tones, purifies, and minimizes pores. Obviously, to use, you unfold, place the mask on clean, dry skin, and then it just kind of goes over the general rules for using a sheet mask. Leave it 15-20 minutes. You're going to pat in any excess serum and essence, and then it just go from there. So I'm excited to try that. Float away with calming moisture. Honeysuckle, chamomile, and calendula. All right. I think the packaging is really pretty. It's one of the prettier sheet masks I've seen. It says made in Korea. And I was going to say it says cruelty-free, but all of the items in the Laurel Reed beauty and skincare subscription are cruelty-free. All right, so let's pull out our next item. And this is Graydon Skincare. This is their Correct and Protect Full Moon Serum. What skin dreams are made of. And this is $87. This multifunctional vegan serum soothes, smooths, and protects for a more radiant looking complexion. Perfect for every skin type, this feather-like botanical serum will help shield your delicate facial skin from everyday pollutants and calms inflammations. Formulated with botanical collagen, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, oligopeptides, and retinol, anti-inflammatory blue tansy, an anti-pollution complex, and infused with Graydon's favorite gemstone, malachite. I apologize for if I'm butchering any of these. Our full moon serum helps to improve and protect your skin's natural beauty while combating comprehensive signs of aging. This serum is vegan, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and a non-irritant, and is formulated with a skin-friendly, never stripping pH value of 5.5 to 6.0. So you're going to use 4 to 6 drops, and obviously you're going to put this on your face after you have cleansed it. You can use it on the décolleté, and you're going to use this before your moisturizer or facial oil. It says suitable for both morning and night and appropriate for all skin types. So, it says here, loaded with vitamin C to even out skin tone, rich source of copper, an element known to promote collagen production, amplifies the appearance of plump skin and provides moisture retention, a concentrate from the moth bean to promote the appearance of youthful skin, protein-rich extract to firm and smooth the look of your skin, to counter oxidative stress, neutralize free radicals, and enable detoxification, protects against the toxicity of heavy metals, azulene-rich blue tansy to calm sensitive or reactive skin, 100% natural vegetable-based preservative, and non-photosensitive bergaptine-free. There's a lot of big words on there. All right, so let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh, okay, so even the packaging on, like, the actual item is, it's a glass bottle. It's just very nice. So let's put some on our hand. It doesn't have much of a smell, but what little bit of a smell that I'm picking up is very fresh and almost oceany in a way. Gosh, that like soaked into my skin so fast, and my skin is so soft. It's almost like oh, my skin is so soft right there, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am loving that, and I can't wait to slather that on my face. All right, so we have one more item in here. So we have 3 products this month. And this is Leilani Skincare Aloha Ambrosia Morning Moisture Elixir, $56. An exotic superfood feast for the skin, overflowing with youth-enhancing antioxidants and vitamins derived from organic mangosteen, goji berry, guava, and passion fruit oils. Feather-like consistency absorbs easily, leaving the skin primed for makeup application and perfectly moisturized throughout the day. Lightweight, all-day moisture, and supernatural glow, this elixir is skin balancing and anti-inflammatory, and even improves the skin tone, reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and perfectly primes for flawless makeup application. So you're going to put 1 pump onto the face and neck after cleansing and toning in the morning. You could wear it alone or allow 1 to 3 minutes before applying makeup. Well, I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, and even again, the packaging is just, I mean, you know that it's, you know, like I said, a little bougie when you just look at these packages, the packaging. Morning Moisture Elixir. Well, we're going to put 1 pump on my hand. There's really not much of a smell, but what I am smelling smells really, really good. But it's so light, it's hard to like pinpoint. Okay, well, they weren't joking about the glow. And one pump definitely would be sufficient for your face because I've got the whole back of my hand and I'm even pulling it down onto my arm. It says massage one pump. All I know is it feels really good. And it just has a really nice, fresh, clean smell. But can you guys see how just shiny and moisturized my hand is? And it feels so soft. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I will have to say that at first I thought it was going to be kind of greasy, I'll be honest. But it soaked in and it is just, my skin feels so soft. Like, I just can't even explain how soft my skin feels right now. And like I said, at first I was like, ooh, this is starting to feel a little greasy, but it didn't. It just went in and just, wow. Okay, so I think this box was fantastic. We got the sheet mask, which I can't wait to use. I'll probably use this tonight. The serum, which felt amazing and it's slam full of amazing things for your skin. So I can't wait to try this. And I am already so in love with the Lalani Aloha Ambrosia Morning Moisture Elixir. You guys, this to me alone would be worth this box. The way this made my skin feel is just amazing. I love this. I'm so happy for this box and these items. Thank you to Laurel and Reed for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. Guys, I will put a link down below. Definitely check them out. I highly recommend this subscription. This is the first time I'm getting it, but the quality of these products is phenomenal. It really is. Like I said, I still can't get over in my head as I was starting to rub that morning elixir. I'm like, oh, this is gonna be greasy. Oh, but it didn't. It just soaked in and my skin is just as soft as a baby's bottom. I mean, I don't know how it's just, my skin and my hand, the back of my hand just feels just phenomenal. I don't know. I'm at a loss for words on that one, you guys. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely check out Laurel and Reed. Again, that information and that link will be in the description box below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.